Today on the Green.
Welcome to Today on the Green. Ethan's still not here, but we have multiple guest hosts, and it's the entire crew of Today on the Green. Come on in, guys. Here they all are. This is... All right, welcome to our new set. Ethan, what do you think? He's not here. Anyway, thank you for tuning in to Today on the Green. Come back tomorrow to see what happens today on the Green tomorrow.